You've probably seen the viral hack claiming a simple household candle can waterproof any shoe. Does it actually work? Can a candle really make canvas, leather, and mesh shoes completely waterproof? Today, we're putting this hack to the ultimate test. We're going to find out if this is a game-changing lifesaver or just another internet myth. Let's see what works. First up, canvas shoes. The method is simple. Take a plain wax candle and rub it all over the shoe like a big crayon until you have a thick white layer.
Get into all the seams then. Grab a hairdryer on high heat. As you melt the wax, you'll see it turn liquid and disappear into the fabric. After it cools, the moment of truth. Wow.
The water beads up and rolls right off the treated shoe, while our untreated shoe is a soggy mess. The verdict for canvas. This hack is a huge win. It's cheap, easy, and makes the fabric incredibly water repellent.
It's not truly waterproof. Don't go standing in a deep puddle, but for repelling rain.
It absolutely works. But the claim was any shoe. What about leather? The process felt wrong immediately. Rubbing the candle on left a thick, greasy smear that wouldn't coat evenly. The hairdryer just melted it into a sticky, oily film that ruined the finish. Sure, it repels some water, but the shoe looks and feels terrible. For leather, this trick is a myth. It can clog the pores and ruin the material. For leather, like a wax-based cream with conditioning oils. That will provide a water-resistant barrier while also conditioning the shoe to keep it from drying out. And now for the final boss. Breathable mesh running shoes. As you might expect, this was a total disaster. Rubbing wax on mesh just clogs the holes and looks awful. Melting it with the hairdryer creates a gunky mess. Trying to make mesh waterproof with a candle is a definite myth. For mesh or other synthetics, your best bet is a dedicated water repellent spray.
It will make the shoe water resistant,
not waterproof, and you will sacrifice some breathability. So, what's the final verdict?
The idea that one trick makes any shoe waterproof is a myth,
but the candle hack itself isn't. For canvas shoes, it's a brilliant and cheap way to make them highly water repellent. The real secret is matching the right method to the right material. For canvas, grab that candle. For leather, invest in a quality conditioning polish. And for mesh, a specialty spray is your best bet as long as you understand its limits. Have you tried any of these methods? Let us know in the comments below. And if you learned something new, make sure to like and subscribe for more myths put to the test.